Hey friends and family, it's Michael with TPT, September 2020, which means one thing. It's that time of the year that we are educating our viewers on the potential impacts of changes to Medicare for 2021. If you're not a Medicare beneficiary, you're going to want to continue to watch this video because it will directly impact you. Why will it impact you? Well, traditionally speaking, Medicare has served as the benchmark, the platform upon which other payers base and guide their decisions. So people like United Healthcare and Blue Cross and Aetna, so forth, these insurance companies typically make their adjustments according to what Medicare proposes and what Medicare does. So whether or not you're a Medicare beneficiary, this video is going to serve valuable for everybody. Now, it was in 2019, about this time of the year, that we were bringing great news that Medicare was lifting the financial therapy cap that restricted a lot of you viewers from quality health care in a sense of rehabilitation needs. It was restricting you from continuing beyond a certain dollar amount. Well, that cap was lifted, and that lift will continue on into 2021. So that's fantastic news. So good news on that front. So unfortunate news for 2021 is the news of a potential sharp decline in the reimbursement for your healthcare providers. This isn't just related to therapy, this is across the board, but your therapy is going to be included in this mix. Now, why should you, the beneficiary, be concerned with what your providers get paid? Well, ultimately, you should be concerned about what they get paid, what they respectfully get paid, because they either are going to be available for you or they won't be available for you. They're not going to be available for you if they decide that the sharp decline in reimbursement does not justify their cost of services, and they will no longer become a Medicare provider. So it has been with opportunistic outlooks for total physical therapy to continue to be a Medicare provider. We really feel like that is an absolute need, and we want to do everything in our power to continue in the years moving forward to be able to be a provider of those services for Medicare beneficiaries. So let's talk a little bit more about this reduction. There is a proposal for this sharp reduction to go into effect January 1st, 2021. It is not set in stone, but it is strongly looking like that is going to be the case. If there is going to be any type of change to that arrangement, it is going to take the dedicated efforts of you, the beneficiaries. The providers can speak about it all they want, and we have for months now, but without the help and support of our wonderful viewers, you will potentially lose access to some of your quality providers. Now, how can you be a positive impact to the situation? Well, whether you're in favor or against the payment reduction, we encourage everybody to speak up. Below this video, there's going to be a link that will take you directly to an advocacy effort. Will be a populated template that simply will request for your contact information, name, telephone number, etc. And through following that link and filling out that template, within just a couple minutes, you can simply send off a template letter to your congresspersons. That's it. All you have to do is go to the form and fill out your contact information. If you'd like to put in your own viewpoints, it is very easy to put your own thoughts and your own ideas into this template, so you can always add to it or subtract from what they already have in there. We always like to hope that our congresspersons will read this, or their staff members will read this and pass this information along. But the reality is that really what this advocacy effort is just to flood their inboxes with templates that are talking along the same subject from tens of thousands of people. And if that happens, that evokes awareness. It draws their attention towards the fact that there's a lot lot of people that are talking about a subject matter, and they need to pay attention and they need to do something about it. So we strongly encourage all of our viewers to not only fill out that template, but to share this video, because it ultimately will come down to you potentially losing quality health care from quality providers if these reimbursements continue to decline. So speak up now and let your voice be heard. Thank you for watching this video. Please share with your friends and loved ones so they too can make a decision and be an advocate for these changes. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.